to turn off your Samsung S25 without using your screen, you can for sure do this, but you will need a USB cable and your PC. So you will have to connect this cable straight into the USB-C port in your phone, and then into the USB-A port or into the USB-C port if you have double USB-C port to your PC. And now when you do this, take a look. All we have to do is just to click and hold power key and the volume down button all the time until the screen goes black. But if you removed this shortcut from assistant, you can only hold the power key. So let me show you how it actually works. In my case, I've got all default settings, so I have to click and hold power key and volume down button one more time. Now we got this power off menu, restart menu, so we have to keep holding. Now release, click and hold power key and volume up button. Now release power key when you get Samsung logo, and only keep holding volume up key. Now we are in the recovery mode, so we have to keep tapping on volume down button and select power off. And this is actually how you can completely power off your Samsung S25. If your phone turns on back, you have to unplug this cable and then go into power off again. Take a look. And now everything will be fine. So it's not gonna reboot like it was previously.